Assalamualaikum, hello friends, this is Zishan and you are watching my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to fix screen recording fail to save due to fail to save recording error on iPhone, iPad or iPod touch. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Firstly, go to settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. On the Safari page, scroll down to find Advanced and tap on it. Now tap on website data. Now scroll down and tap remove all website data. Now go back to Safari page and tap clear history and website data. Method 2 is check your iPhone storage. For that, go to settings app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and tap general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Here, if your device has not enough space to save the screen recording video, you may get this error. So make some space by deleting unused app and unnecessary photos, videos and files. That's it. Solution 3 is make sure that your iPhone is up to date. For that, go to settings app on your iPhone, tap on Wi-Fi. Now turn on Wi-Fi and connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network. After connecting the Wi-Fi, go back to setting menu. Scroll down and tap general. Tap software update. Here, make sure that your iPhone is up to date. If any update is available, then update your iPhone. So friends, like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.